What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Lexus GX460 unlocked and opened if the battery in the vehicle dies or if the battery in our key fob dies. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2016 GX460 in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release here that my finger's on, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. And now we'll use the emergency key to unlock the driver's door. And then once the vehicle's opened, if your vehicle battery is dead, you can pop the hood and charge or change the battery. And now we'll also take a look at how to get our GX460 started with a dead key fob. So what we need to do in order to get the vehicle started is we're going to come over here, and without pressing the brake, I'm going to press the stop start button one time. Then I'm going to take my key fob and just hold it up to the stop start button. And you'll hear a little bit of a beep. And now we should be able to start it as normal. And now you'll be ready to drive as normal, and you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.